Hello everyone and welcome back to Newton's Academy past paper review for grade 12. Today we will be covering a short question on Euclidean geometry, which is question 8 that we see here. Question 8 gives us a diagram with OP being the diameter of the smaller circle, and then they tell us that O is the center of this larger circle, meaning OP is the radius of the larger circle and it's also the diameter of the smaller circle. They tell us that PDW is a chord of the large circle and T lies on the smaller circle, and then they join OT. So they give us the length of OT being 10 centimeters and the length of PW being 48 centimeters, and they ask us to calculate the length of the radius of the smaller circle. So of the smaller circle, they want the radius, which is half the diameter. So naturally, we would have to calculate the diameter first and then half that to get the radius. Since we cannot do anything with these two lengths that they have given us at face value, the most logical place to start would be the fact that we can only prove one angle. The angle that we can prove is T1. Why? It's because it's found in the smaller circle and we are given a diameter which subtends an angle at the circumference. Therefore, we can use theorem 3 and we can conclude that angle T1 is equal to 90 degrees, and our reason will be angle in a semicircle. Okay, so we have angle T1 to equal to 90 degrees. And this already sets us up and indicates the next reason that we should be proving, because as a result of this 90-degree angle, one more theorem falls into place, and that is theorem 1. And because of theorem 1, we can conclude that PT is equal to TW. And our reason there will be center to midpoint of chord. So PT is equal to TW, and our reason there would be perpendicular from center to chord. Not center to midpoint of chord, because we were not given the midpoint, we were given the center and we proved the perpendicular line. Therefore, it will be perpendicular from center to chord. Be aware of confusing those two theorems. Okay, now that we have PT equals TW, that tells us that PT is equal to a half PW, which equals to 24 centimeters. And remember, we are given OT being equal to 10 centimeters. Right, that was given to us. Therefore, we can calculate PO by the use of Pythagoras. So that will be equal to PO would be equal to 10 squared plus 24 squared, and then we can solve PO using Pythagoras to be 26 centimeters. And we already said that OP or PO is the diameter of the smaller circle. They wanted the radius, so we simply have to divide that. So to get the radius, we simply divide 26 by 2, and we get our radius to be 13 centimeters. Okay, so that is a rather short question, but we see that it has not been broken down into sub-question. It was just one long question for 5 marks. And that concludes this question on Euclidean geometry. Thank you for watching.